So today we're going to take a look at, we'll take a listen to the audio of Galaxy S10. Like last year, this has Dolby Atmos built in, has dual speakers, one up top by the earpiece, one bottom firing one, and we're going to test it out, see how it sounds, as well as compare it to the competition. So on paper, it looks like not much has changed from last year. If you pull up the spec sheet between S9 and S10 in regards to the audio department, that pretty much remains the same, but there are some differences to the actual audio experience. We have the Note 9, the Pixel 3 XL, and then as well as the LG V40. Let's check out a few samples of that now and hear what it sounds like.
The world has changed. None of us.
We will. Whatever it takes.
Underscore the great, and as wrestlers obviously tend to do, and defeated the alien with an atomic flying elbow. I personally would have used the phenomenal forearm. There's another forearm. They told a press conference in Stockholm about it, where a journalist asked, "Why have you adopted these 7 kids?" To which he replied, "To save the world, of course." They then asked, "From what?" And they'd get their answer 10 years later.
So checking it out, listen to it, it's definitely more clear, crisp audio, a good balance of loud and clear is probably the best way to describe the audio. The Pixel, definitely a little more front heavy, a little more punch. S10 sounds more crisp, more clear, so it's a little of a balanced sound. It actually gives the V40 a run for its money in regards going neck and neck. So there you have it, S10 audio. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you in the next video. Peace.